In just 30 days, I embarked on an AI automation journey to create a faceless YouTube channel from scratch. Here's how it unfolded. The first step was setting up the channel. I chose a niche with weird history facts for easy AI content generation. Scripts were crafted in minutes using ChatGPT, and I experimented with AI voices. Stock footage and editing tools became essential allies. By day 5, the first video was live, garnering 12 views. By day 7, shorter videos performed better, and by day 10, a video hit 500 views overnight, hinting at potential success. Consistency became key. Posting daily, I reached 3,000 views and 42 subscribers by day 15. The algorithm favored frequency over perfection, though the time investment was significant. A slump hit, leading to a pivot. I redesigned thumbnails and switched to top 10 lists, which improved views and engagement. Reaching 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours seemed distant. The reality of monetization hit hard, revealing the slow grind of content creation. Analyzing audience retention revealed viewers watched 60% of videos. A small collaboration boosted subscribers, showing the power of networking. After 30 days, I uploaded 11 videos, gained 6.2K views, 78 subscribers, and earned $427. Not viral, but a start. Beyond the numbers, I gained skills in script writing, editing, and patience. Automation isn't a magic button. It requires effort and consistency. If you're considering this journey, start with a niche you know, expect a longer timeline, and use AI as a tool, not a magic solution.